Hi guys, welcome to another garden update video. As you can see, the gourd plants are coming along nicely, looking fresh and green. I need to install some vines though. Hydrangea flowers are looking crisp, thriving. The tomato plants are back now. It seemed like they were dying off, but looks like they have picked themselves up nicely, looking vibrant and fresh. The grapes are coming along nicely as well. Several clusters of them, looking vibrant. As you can see, multiple clusters all around. Here are some more. I need to install some fencing to keep this protected against squirrels maybe. I'll think about it. You can see the onions. Don't know what's happening underground though. The roses are kind of drifting off now, but still look nice. And that's another onion tree. Onion plant, I should say. Those are the highlights. Thanks for watching.